Hey guys, so it was a really windy and cold night. This guy fell over already yesterday and I put him back up, but yeah, after that it wasn't already enough and it fell over again. Later today I need to put all the soil back in. Soil is mostly pumice and lava, and yeah, sorry, it doesn't seem like something happened to him, like it didn't break. This one, I got it like a year or two ago and it was really thin. It isn't really a stable plant. So I've been trying to provide as much fertilizer as I can, as many nutrients as I can, and I'm not sure if this one will eventually get to a point where it's standing stable. It's possible I'll cut it down to take cuttings. It's a beautiful clone, but it hasn't gotten a lot of sun in the past. So sometimes, you know, when owners just have too many cacti to care for them all, stuff like this happens, you know. Some are in the back where they don't get enough sun, not as much sun as they needed to, and yeah, you get these unstable plants that fall over every time there's a wind blowing. And yeah, here's some more. Blew over these two, so it's been really windy. Check out how the wind is blowing. I really hope that these trees will stand. Stay away from my greenhouse tree. So yeah, the night was really cold. It was like we're currently having a climate phenomenon that's in German called the Eisheiligen. It's something like it's a cold phase that usually stuff's flying away. I feel like one of these weather reporters that stand there and try to speak into the camera and everything flies away. But yeah, Eisheiligen is this phenomenon that causes cold temperatures after the first warm weeks of spring. So it's usually between April and mid-May or end of May, and it's a phase where many cactus growers and other breeders lose a lot of plants because the weather is sunny. You think everything is alright, and you bring your plants outside because you have 20 degrees or something like this, you know, and suddenly at night the temperatures drop to 0 or below and you have frost. I've kept a very close eye on the temperature over the night, and it was predicted to be 4 degrees Celsius. It was okay, but when I came out this morning everything was super cold. It was much colder than it was on the thermostat. So yeah, I need to be really careful when you take plants outside at this time of year. You need to expect frost periods all the time. It can happen all the time. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll post another video update later today. Take care. Bye.